Lift your view high above the solar system, looking down at the sun. From this perspective, the chaos of space settles into a strange, beautiful order. Planets do not wander randomly. They circle the sun in the same direction. They ride along a nearly flat cosmic plane, like horses on a carousel. Every planet also spins on its own axis, usually in the same counterclockwise direction. The entire system operates like a single, well-crafted machine, moving in perfect agreement. This view, looking straight down the sun's axis, is the most honest representation. Textbook illustrations often show them in a row, which hides their shared orbital plane. There is a precise reference for this, known as the invariable plane. The planet's orbits hug this plane, deviating by only a few degrees. But look closer, and the agreement falls apart. Venus spins in the opposite direction. Uranus refuses to stand upright, rolling along its orbit like a tilted barrel. We were all born from the same spinning cloud of gas and dust. Why don't we all turn the same way, or maintain the same orientation? The story involves violent moments that knocked some planets off their axes. The rule begins long before the planets existed, in an enormous cloud. As the cloud collapsed under its own gravity, it started to spin. Just like a figure skater pulling their arms in, the spin accelerated. This is the conservation of angular momentum, a stubborn rule of nature. The cloud flattened into a disk, with the sun forming at the center. Every planet and moon grew from this single, rotating disk of material.
This explains why they share the same orbital direction and plane.
But space was a crowded shooting gallery, not a peaceful place. These young worlds collided, reshaping their spins and orientations. Think of a spinning top. A hard nudge can change its axis. A massive impact can tilt a planet or even reverse its spin. Earth's tilt is likely the result of an ancient, violent collision. The debris from that impact formed the moon and set our tilt. We owe our seasons to this single, ancient, and transformative event. The moon's scarred face is a frozen snapshot of this bombardment. This was an era when debris rained down constantly across the solar system. Earth experienced the same battering, though weather eventually erased the craters. The moon kept its record intact, showing us the history of that chaos. Today, the solar system is calm, but the spin of every world tells a story. Venus spins backwards, a mystery that scientists are still debating. Uranus, meanwhile, is tipped over, a victim of a massive impact. Venus is often called Earth's twin, but its rotation is completely different. They are similar in size, But Venus spins so slowly that its day outlasts its year. On some worlds, you could walk fast enough to keep pace with the sunrise. Venus's thick atmosphere might have dragged its spin to a crawl. Uranus's extreme tilt is a testament to the violence of the early solar system. It's like a car flipped over while the wheels keep spinning. The rings stand vertically, a unique feature in our solar neighborhood. Jupiter, the giant, spins incredibly fast, with a day lasting under 10 hours. Earth is more moderate, with a 24-hour day that keeps our climate stable. Mercury is locked in a strange dance with the sun, slowing its rotation. Each planet's spin is a unique record of its formation and history. Saturn's tilt was likely shaped by the gravity of distant Neptune. Its rings might have formed when a moon drifted too close and was torn apart. The giants didn't escape the story. They just show it more quietly. Studying other star systems shows us that this chaos is common.
WASP-17b orbits its star in reverse, a discovery that surprised everyone.
It's a giant planet that shows how violent encounters can change everything. It was the first planet caught orbiting the wrong way. Astronomers use these observations to understand the history of other worlds. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, each with its own story. The patterns we see in our system are often the exception, not the rule. Collisions and gravitational encounters are the architects of these systems. The mystery of how planets spin is a window into their past. Our own world is a record of everything that has happened to it. The moon is the evidence of the impact that shaped our home. Venus's slow, backward spin is a testament to its unique history. Uranus's tilt is a reminder of the violent nature of the early solar system. Every spin is a seal of the events that shaped the world. We are still learning to read these records. With every new discovery, the picture of our solar system becomes clearer. The universe is full of such stories, waiting to be read. Our solar system is just one chapter in this cosmic history. We are lucky to have such a stable and orderly neighborhood. Collisions and gravitational encounters are the architects of these systems. The stars themselves have stories, just like the planets. Everything in the universe is connected by these cosmic events. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? The next time you look at the night sky, remember this. We are part of something much larger than ourselves.
The history of the universe is written in the stars.
And we are still learning to read it. The sun is the anchor of our system. The planets are its children, each with its own personality. And we are the observers, trying to understand it all. We are still learning to read these records. Keep exploring and stay curious. The universe has so much more to tell us. We are just getting started.
The story of our solar system is far from over. There is so much more to discover.
And we are here to witness it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring. Stay curious and keep looking up.